Hey guys, today I will be showing you how I created a cozy, welcoming entryway for the holiday season. And guys, I love the way this turned out this year. So we're going to get started. So as you can see, I'm giving you an overview of my foyer. And I love how it sort of has these little alcoves where I can just go ahead and put items and decorate throughout the year and each season. I'm going to start with showing you these beautiful snowy flocked downswept forest trees. They're right under on the side of my staircase where there's like a cute little alcove that was just made for these, and I didn't want to go with anything too big. I just wanted two smaller trees. One is 3 feet, one is 4 feet. They're so pretty. I didn't even decorate them, guys. They are already pre-lit. They have a flat bottom. Everything is flocked, and I love the way the boughs actually come all the way down to the floor. And I decided to just leave them as they are. I think they're perfect just the way they are, and I absolutely love the way they look. Now, with my greenery, I'm going with greenery I just shot my home. I love these. They look so real and they drape perfectly. They're from A Floral and they're the Norfolk Pine. All I did was add a little ribbon to the way I draped it. Because my stairway has spindles and it's open, it looks so amazing and so elegant, and I absolutely love the way it looks in this corner. I can't tell you how real these look. It doesn't look it on camera, but guys, every time someone sees this, they think that I've actually went and picked these up and that they're live. So they're so pretty. On my console table for when you're walking in the entryway, I decorated it with a lot more greenery. Guys, I absolutely love these pine branches. These stems create a spectacular arrangement and they look so real. These are also from A Floral along with the garland that we have. But I also added in these lighted twigs. They are so pretty. They are actually, you can plug them in. It comes with the light source that you can actually change how bright you want it to be. And guys, this comes with a timer. They do come in different colors. I chose to go with the brown so it can seamlessly go in my arrangement, but you can see the timer on here. We could set it for 6 hours at a time. I love these. This is only 3 of those. It comes with 3 in a pack. Guys, you gotta pick those up. I can leave the link for everything in this video in the description bar below. Next to that, I added in this mainstay that stays on this table, and I just kept it simple and added in some pine cones. I think they're so pretty. They're mini pine cones I had left over from a DIY I did earlier in the year, and they were perfect to just have a filler in there. Now next, I have on the other side, for some symmetry, a little bit more illumination, I have a trio of these beautiful lanterns. So I just put one on the top, on the side, and then I added in these gorgeous little bells that are like so perfectly patinaed, and I got those actually off of Amazon. They come in a trio just like the lanterns come in a trio, and I just used 2. I thought it was perfect for a little sidebar vignette on that console table. Speaking of the trio, guys, does that not look perfect for this table? I used the other 2 lanterns underneath. These are sort of like mainstays along with that basket that you see there. They are perfect for styling. I love them because they're just decorative lanterns, but they include the candles also, and it's so elegant. And on the other side, I just have this basket, and I brought in a little bit of cozy with a little pillow with the snowflake on it and just a little faux fur little rug, and I think it's perfect for bringing the look together. But guys, do you see how pretty this is at night? It is so cozy and welcoming to my guests and my family, and the lights are so pretty, and I really wanted to show you what it looks like in the evening, and it gets dark earlier when it's colder in the winter months. And this is the perfect welcoming of a cozy entryway where your guests are just going to come in, and it's just setting the tone for the holiday season, and I absolutely love it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Also, if you want to pick up any of these items, I can leave links in the description bar below. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much. And also comment below if you're going to be decorating this year or your entryway. Hope I was able to give you some great decorating tips. And I hope to also see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.